Welcome to the channel. So let's talk about the Razer Blade 15. The $3,000 advanced model with the latest Intel i7 CPU, 16GB RAM, expandable to 64GB, 1TB SSD, 300Hz 1080p IPS display, and an RTX 2080 Super with Max-Q design. All this is packed into a sub-5-pound CNC milled aluminum chassis in metallic black. The advanced models of the Blade 15, starting at $2,599, differ from base models by offering RTX Super graphics, 300Hz display, an 8-core Intel CPU, USB-C charge ports on each side, and built-in South Dakota reader. If the advanced price is a concern, the base models start $1,599 with more affordable options. Both models have 4K OLED touchscreen variants, inevitably for a premium, and a reasonably easy upgrade path for more memory and storage. There's a lot of choice for spec'ing out anything from mid to high-tier gaming performance. The pros: refined keyboard layout, improved battery life, customizable RAM and SSD. Synapse software is easy to use. The cons: it gets noticeably hot. Poor webcam quality. Here are some benchmarks. Cinebench R20, 2451 CB, multi-core, 425 CB, single-core, Geekbench 5, 5200, Crystal Disk Mark Q32 sequential, read, 3000 MB per second, Crystal Disk Mark Q32 sequential, write, 2100 MB per second, Mark 10 Express, 5138.x264, 57 FPS, Metro Exodus, 1080p Ultra, 50 FPS, Far Cry, New Dawn, 1080p, Ultra, 82 FPS, Division 2, 70 FPS, Gears Tactics, 1080p, Ultra, 92 FPS, Total War, 3 Kingdoms, 1080p, Ultra, Battle, 63 FPS, 3D-marked Firestrike, 16,698 points, 3D-marked Time Spy, GPU, 7755, CPU, 6461, 3D Port Royal, 4686, battery life while gaming, 1 hour 14 minutes, and for basic work 4 hours 45 minutes. The bottom line: the 2020 Razer Blade 15 Advanced Edition combines some of the most powerful laptop components available with a slick all-metal design that stands above the rest, though the top configurations are very pricey. And if you are interested in buying this device, feel free to click the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. And don't forget to like this video.